Touchdown. 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 Touchdown.
What's up, buckle for my friend them?
Yes, now we have to give thanks and praise for Lenten days, you know.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Jaja, rise I this morning, so I know that everything will be alright. Alright, yeah. Oh, Jaja, rise I this morning, so I know that everything will be alright.
Give thanks to life, you know. Everything alright. Yes.
Thank you guys for joining us again on another episode of Music and Marriage. My name is Nikita, I'm your host, and this is my co-host.
I'm Black Red Square, and we're there again. One more time. The best podcast out there right now. Make sure so now lock in. Give thanks to each and everyone that's tuning in, you know what I mean? Yeah, we see the numbers them arise, and we're not surprised. We give thanks. We're happy. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Keep streaming. You know, keep supporting on all platforms. You know what I mean? Yes.
Yeah, before we get into the show today, excuse me, I'm kind of a little, hoarse. I'm just...
Yeah. The stomach bug or the flu or whatever it is.
The kids got
is
sick.
going around the family right now. It touch everybody. Yeah.
So I wanted to talk to you guys tonight about a product. We've always been mentioning this product. This company since, about the beginning of the podcast, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Empress Organics is out in California, Rancho Cucamonga to be exact.
Yeah.
If you guys are out, any time you guys are in the area, make sure you guys stop in and check her out. She just opened a Yoni Steam Room, a new location. So make sure you guys go over on her Instagram page and check out that information and other as well. Empress Organics, these are her products. Feminine care, if you need any feminine care products and you want to check it out, make sure you guys go over to her Instagram page and just scroll and see. She has a website also, empressorganics.net. Make sure you guys go over there and purchase.
Yes, Empress Organics. Big up yourself, Nicole. You don't know, keep doing the great works.
Yeah, definitely. All your herbal needs, your sage, anything you need as far as like herbal stuff, natural, organic, feminine products.
What is it on Instagram? Empress
Organics.
At Empress Organics.
At Empress Organics.
Yeah.
And the website is empressorganics.net.
Okay. So make sure to check that out.
That's a black-owned business, so make sure you guys go and support her.
Yes.
Also, another black-owned business. They're our workout partners, you can say.
Yeah. Online workout partners.
Online workout partners. We work out with them 5 days a week, for the most part.
Yeah.
And they just started to do merch. So here I have my leggings. Jamaicans might call it tights.
Yeah.
But it's very,
leggings.
workout leggings. Yeah. It's very stretchy. It has like a nice firm hold on you. But at the same time, it's not too tight. Like you can still be able to work out. You can still be able to feel like you're breathing. You're not, tying down your skin while you're working out. Like you don't feel just, crammed. Yeah. So it's a nice workout pants.
And I also got my shirt too, my muscle shirt. But I don't have no muscles. If you put on the muscle shirt, you know what I mean? But you don't know, it's kind of like a goal we set, so to speak. For put on a few pounds and, you know what I mean? So I can wear my muscle shirt. All right, now the muscle shirt look kind of like, it has swallowed me a little bit, you know what I mean? Yeah. So Nikki Barrett and, what's
yes,
her
make
husband's
sure you
name?
go, Mr. Bolt.
Mr.
That's
Bolt.
what I call him.
All right, so I'm going to work with Mr. Bolt for now. But
you can go and
big up on
check them
yourself.
out on IG.
Yeah.
Bolt Fitness.
Bolt,
BOLTFITNIZ.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys go over on their Instagram page and show some love and start,
Yeah.
supporting, following the movement. They work out every morning.
Every single morning.
Monday
at
to Friday,
7
7 a.m.
Yeah.
You can join the workout on Nikki from Yard.
Yes.
So it's NIKKI from Yard.
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 Okay.
And joining on the workout
Yeah.
definitely doesn't hurt. It definitely can help you, motivate you, you know what I'm saying, to get
Health
into your best health.
Is wealth.
Exactly.
Don't
So,
forget that.
Yeah. Make sure you guys come and join us on the workout, Monday to
Yeah.
Friday, 7 a.m. Jamaica time. If you're in the
Yes.
US, that's 8 a.m.
Yeah.
If you're anywhere else in the world, you just gotta check that out.
Let's check it
yourself,
out.
'cause I don't really
Follow
know.
it up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I could
So-
definitely I try to get the muscle part. Definitely I try to get it going because the shirt kind of swallow me a little bit. It don't look too right. So me
You look bad, baby. Like,
we even take a couple pics so put up and I tell you them pics we couldn't even, you know what I mean?
Start from scratch.
Yeah. Them pics set it up. Yeah.
Oh God.
So when we do pack on the pounds and can fit in them muscle shirt, then we take some
see
pics
him
and
pop out. Take some pics of what? You ain't gonna be popping
Summer
out.
body.
Nah, we good.
so if you
We
can
could
wear the tights, I can wear the muscle shirt.
It's workout.
Yeah, work out.
Yeah, you're not workout in this. Yeah, I want to walk around there, especially when you get
No,
little
work
muscles.
out.
You're gonna be thinking you the shit.
No man, I work
Okay,
out.
playboy.
Workout vibes.
Okay.
And then I'm
Show up
muggling.
and- Show up and show out.
No,
Some
no,
about to hit. What you
Exactly. So we have to make sure say
Okay.
have the Kingston beachfront body,
Ooh. Oh,
Yeah.
that's what you call it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bold fitness body.
I hear you, Papa.
You know what I mean? So
jump in on it.
bold fitness. Make
Yes,
sure
make
check
sure you
it out.
guys check it out on
You know what I
IG and also on Facebook. They stream also on Facebook.
Yeah, I think they stream on Facebook.
You
too
can
in the
find all
mornings.
the information on IG. Nikki from Yard.
Yes.
Yeah, bless up yourself, Nicole. Again,
Yeah.
another Nicole. So tonight we feature
For
two
real.
Nicole.
All of the Nickies then big up on yourself.
Yeah,
You know
you.
Yeah, before we jump into the topic of the day, you don't know, as usual, we just want to go through maybe one or a few hot topics.
Current events.
Current events. My current event for the day today, Wednesday, is this kid, right? Recently, in Jamaica, we have the Boys and Girls Championship, right? For those who don't know, it's a competition of all the high schools in Jamaica coming together in one location to compete for the national championship, boys and girls. It's probably the best supported sporting event in Jamaica, as far as I know, because ever since I was a child up until this day, everybody got champs every year. You know what I mean? Due to Corona last year, it postponed. This year, them do it virtually, and it looked like it did nice. But there was a little sidebar in between all of the niceness. There was this runner from Petersfield, is the name of the school. Good runner, great runner. Look like he's going to be an excellent runner. I don't remember his name right now, but if you can find it in the meantime, that would be nice. He kept on winning, and I guess it was the final, and he won a race. And in winning the race, he decided to shoot air blanks at his opponent and also select another one in the head when him done win. And it caused a bit of a stir, I think that in light of the fact that Jamaica is in a crime pandemic, epidemic, all of the demic them right now, I think the celebration came across a little bit insensitive, and it caused a big uproar on social media. People were bashing the kid. people are still bashing the kid. People
So his
are
name is
talking down to
Antonio
him.
Watson.
Antonio Watson, big up yourself, kid. Go and do the good work. You're a good runner. Me personally here on this podcast won't be bashing you at all. You know what I mean? But I want to say this. I think that even though, other athletes over the years have done the same thing, I think that, because of the crime pandemic right now, some people out there are looking for someone to blame always, and I think that they have wrongfully put this kid in the spotlight, so to speak, and put him up as this poster child for the reason why we have crime and violence in the country. At the same time, I can understand a little bit why people might be, apprehensive or seeing that in a terrible light. But I don't agree with the fact that we're not going to use this for bring down the youth, bring down him moral. You know what I mean? I think maybe, a silent talking to would have been adequate enough. But the social media backlash, the national news, I just think it's too much to bear for a youth that is now starting to find himself and, in something that he loves. You know what I mean? And I just wanted to say that, Antonio,
Yes.
big up yourself, kid. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't listen to the noise. But at the same time, learn a lesson from this all, Of course, you can celebrate. And of course, we understand sportsmanship and what it's all about. And certain things are a little distasteful. And I think that you're just in the right place, running your race. And you just made a gesture that is, kind of distasteful at this time. And people are in an uproar. But I don't think that people are actually outraged or upset really at you. They just want a scapegoat to pin this whole thing on. And you're just, unfortunately, that scapegoat right now. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that basically was, something that I wanted to get off my mind because I saw the whole vibration unfolding and I just kind of felt sorry for the kid in a sense, but at the same time, I understood, why the people were saying what they were saying.
Yeah, for me personally, I'm, a former runner myself. So I understand, how it feels when you're at that finish line and you just murked them. You know what I mean? Like, you got that cockiness to you. You got that, that different kind of boost.
That feeling.
Yeah, so it's understood as an athlete what he's feeling.
Yeah, at that moment.
Yeah, at that moment. So I don't think there's nothing personally wrong with it. Like, people nowadays just so damn sensitive. Like, y'all just need to get the stick out of y'all asses. Like, it's just too much. Like, everything has to be a debate, and what needs to be at the forefront of the conversation of many of these people aren't.
True.
Like, shit that they need to be clocking
things that
in
really matter.
That really matters. You know what I'm saying? That's going to really change lives. That's really going to better our society. Like, that's things that they're not even putting on, the forefront to speak about or to tackle it. So why you really care? Like, it's not even that serious. He did it. Okay, he did it. All right. It was distasteful. It wasn't appropriate for the moment, being that it was a school event. Exactly. All right. So you pull him aside and you say, yo, shorty, this wasn't the right move. Don't let that happen again the next time because it's disrespectful to whoever, whatever, and explain the situation. But
this national outrage.
And for grown-ass adults, you guys are trying to make these kids feel comfortable in what they're doing, you know what I'm saying, in their talent, to embrace it. And then you're going to turn around and bash him when he does win. Like, yeah, he might have, done a little bit too much in some people's eyes. But at the end of the day, not everybody is going to take that and feel offended by it.
Exactly.
Like, it's
celebration.
Exactly.
Celebration.
Like
Like me
they
says,
bust blanks in parties and stuff like that, so it's okay to do it in a party.
I think
but
it was
it's not
just. I think it's because of the moment that we are
it's just
in,
a school event,
where
and then
crime and violence
Yeah,
is
but
so
they can't
high.
put- but they can't
People
put
are
that-
putting this now
no one can put that on him
in
or
that category,
saying,
you know, in that situation to say, well, this is the result of what is happening, and we need to talk to our children and tell them that this is not the right way.
But what he was doing is like, I just murdered the competition.
Right.
There's nothing wrong with that.
It's not like he must say I'm gonna kill nobody.
Exactly. Like he wasn't being violent. He wasn't being disrespectful. He wasn't doing any of that.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Like it was just all in fun. It was just all right, mega style the thing.
And
but don't
even
do it
after the
already.
race done, the same challenger when me that shoot blanks at,
Mm-hmm.
you know, give him a hug and everything
'Cause
good.
the
It wasn't,
sportsmanship,
yeah,
and he understood
wasn't
what
no,
it was.
Yeah,
it
wasn't no
wasn't
disrespect or
tension.
nothing.
Exactly. So
Right.
for grown ass adults to want to sit there and take it to that level, like let these kids be, let them have fun with the sport. It's bad enough that they had this whole quarantine for so damn long. Like they finally seeing their friends,
And get for free up.
their competitors. You know what I'm saying? Just let them be in that space and just enjoy the moment.
Right.
Like don't put too much on it. It's okay if you have a conversation after the fact.
Yeah.
But to try to crucify him for his
We
actions,
we never agree with this national bashing. You know, it became a national
when
conversation.
Jamaica need fear worry about is the gas prices where I go up.
Yeah.
What the little girl and when they stop get this murdered and kidnapped and raped and all that type of shit, crime and violence on the island. That's what they need to be worried about.
Exactly.
Not a damn little boy using a toy gun with his hand like
Imitating a gun. with his
exactly like come on, it's just ridiculous. Like they pressing it too hard with that. Like they doing the most.
hand. Yeah, big up the youth still. Peter
Exactly,
still big up on
Antonio
yourself.
Watson, big up yourself. Definitely, like you did the.
He
damn
did
thing.
apologize. A written apology. I think I saw it all over social media. I think it came on the news as well. So, you know, big up yourself, you. The apology is accepted. I don't think you needed to.
That's what I was just about to say.
But
Big up
at the
yourself,
same
you never
time-
needed to apologize.
You know, you still took it upon yourself to do the right thing. I guess I feel they pressed him to do it because it was well written as well, you know, the apology. But yeah, it's all good, man. Just enjoy your winnings and
Exactly.
keep developing, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, youth.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what's going on outside of that?
Basically,
New
that's
music,
it.
anything? What you
Yeah, as
promoting
usual, you know,
now?
the music are going good. My experience is out now. You know, it's over 1,000 views on YouTube. UTH, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? No Rush No Fuss Rhythm is really going well. Delhi Ranks, big up yourself. Same thing is out now, you know, Ginger Beer Rhythm. That song there, Attack Life. You know what I mean? Realness featuring Cyclone is also going good. Ricky Peeler, big up your damn self, my producer, day one. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're putting in the work and the work I manifest right now, you know what I mean? So, I want to look out for more and go and enjoy what's out there right now, you know what I mean? If you never streamed the song before or if you stream it already, go stream it again. If you've never purchased it, go and purchase it now. You know, all of them songs that we just talked about. Same thing. My experience, realness. Those are the three current things that we have going on right now. Yeah.
A little bit of dancehall, a little bit of reggae, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of thing to...
Mix up the spice.
Yeah.
Mix up the spice.
Versatility.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I saw Conscience made a post the other day. It was like 2 weeks ago or something like that.
Yeah.
I've been meaning to talk about it, but it's just been slipping my mind. He asked a question somewhere along the lines like, is it okay for you to be in a relationship but you're still getting things from another man? Like he's financing you, taking care of you, and your man knows about it. Like if you're the man, would you be okay with your wife? Okay, like would you be okay with me being in a friendship relationship? I don't know what they consider it. But would you be okay with me speaking to someone just to get things from them?
Well, just the fact that you don't know what to call it, you already know that it's wrong. You understand what I say? Just the fact that you already don't know what to call it.
I didn't know how to
how to label it. We already know say it wrong. See, and my Bounty Killer say, from something wrong, it can't right. From she think about doing wrongs, she wrong. It wrong. You understand what I say? Yeah. Or him wrong. You understand?
Okay.
So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty straightforward. You know, I mean, what I think a better question would be, is it okay for a woman or a man to be receiving gifts from ex girls, ex lovers, ex whatever, from exes? Is it okay? Is it okay for one of my exes to send a gift? Give me a gift. Would you be okay with that?
Honestly, as long as she send a gift for everybody. Like, she can't be selfish. You alone can't get a gift. Like, it don't work like that.
I mean, you know, she not gonna give you no gift.
So then she can't give you no gift.
Okay. Why not? Why not?
What do you mean, why not?
Yeah.
First thing.
What is the harm?
All fun and joke aside.
Yeah, let's reason. Let's reason about it.
No.
What is the
she
harm?
giving you a gift for?
Yeah, what is the harm? Why?
Because I'm only spending, for me personally, I only spend my money on things that I want. Things that mean something to me. I don't just spend my money carelessly and just give it to people just like that and just do whatever. So for a woman to take money out of her pocket and buy a gift for a man,
For an ex.
for an ex, there's something still there.
Okay.
So if you're giving my man a gift, if it ain't a gift for the whole family,
So even if it's just a cup, a mug, a little teacup, it no matter. Does
What
it
are you
matter
gonna
the
use
type
it
of
to
gifts?
I mean, just knowing that an ex gave it to you, yeah, I don't really care what it is. It could be a socks. I
Why?
don't care. What is she buying it for you for? Why are you spending your money on someone that you're not
Because she's
with?
thinking about me.
Oh, nice.
It no means that me I think about she. You understand what I say?
But you don't understand, and I keep saying this to you. Once a woman have her mind set on something and she wants something, she's gonna do all that she can to pursue that. So with that said, if you're allowing gifts from her, she's gonna feel like, okay, he likes me, or he reciprocate the feeling that I'm feeling. So guess what? We could probably take it to that next level
what is reciprocal there? You're just receiving a gift. You're not giving anything back in return.
you're giving it. You're accepting a gift.
And that
so
is-
in her mind, right there, it's gonna be like, all right, well, I'm a little step closer to being closer to him, or he wants me, or he's gonna eventually
don't think every
about being
woman
with
or
me.
man think
Some
like
women
that.
are like that.
Yes, some keyword. Not every woman.
Yeah, I never said every woman. I can't speak for every woman, but some women are like that.
I mean,
Where they
For
feel
me-
like, okay, same way how men feel like, okay, once I spend my money on you and I buy something for you, you're mine. Some women have that mentality as well. Like, I'm spending my money on him, that's mine.
I don't know. I think I understand from a man's point of view. Know that you mention it. That yeah, if me I buy you something, I want something in return.
Exactly.
Women
have the same
but
mentality.
at the same time, I don't know. It's kind of plain and straightforward for real.
It's no. Like, what are you giving me a gift for? Like, okay, when you give me this gift, what is the next step? What are you expecting? What are you hoping to get out of that? What are you
The satisfaction that I gave you a gift.
Why? What satisfaction am I gonna get from that? Explain. Like, I don't get it.
The satisfaction of gift giving.
No,
Being a kind person.
I don't know about that satisfaction there.
Maybe because you're not a kind person.
Don't you dare do that. I'm a kind person. Otada. Otada.
You understand what I said?
No, I just don't like. I feel like for a woman, for me personally, like if I'm spending my money on something or someone, you gotta mean something to me. I'm not gonna just be like,
Yeah,
okay,
maybe it's just an ex way you still have respect for.
yeah, I still have respect for you. All right, I'm gonna stay in my space. I'm gonna keep my distance, and I'm gonna let you do you, and I'm gonna do me. That's respect for me as for exes. Outside of that, there should be nothing else.
No exchanging of
They
gifts
should-
or nothing.
For what? What for your birthday? She gonna call you and be like, hey, I'm gonna send you a gift for your birthday.
Yeah.
For what?
Because the respect is still there. Maybe the love is not there anymore, but the respect is still there.
Well, just make sure the receipt is also there so we can return that shit back to whoever the hell you got it from. Since you want to be so generous with your money, I take your money, but I don't want the gift. So I make sure the receipt is in there too, because that don't make sense to me. I don't see no woman that's going to be taking up her money and buying a gift for a man that she's not with and don't want anything from him.
Mm-hmm.
It must be something and something for her to do that.
Okay, so if me ever see you receive a gift from any man, if we just start praying.
I wouldn't take a gift from another man. Like, for me, that's disrespectful. Because I'd be damned if you walk up in here talking about, oh, you know, so I want to catch up and buy a gift for me. Yeah, you better throw that shit right in the motherfucking garbage before you get in here. Like, you're not doing that. I'm sorry. So I wouldn't do something like that because I would think about, shit, if he do that to me,
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. I find it disrespectful.
Right,
I don't think
right,
a woman
right.
should even take a gift from another man and bring it in her house, let alone even wear that shit. Well, I have a friend where she got a gift from an ex, and she's with the current boyfriend now. And that same gift that he bought her was lingerie, but she never wore it for him. She wore it for the new one. And then after the fact, like, he found out, but he was straight. Like, he wasn't mad.
Mm-hmm.
He was just like, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, as long as he ain't get to take it off, I'm good. But I found that to be very disrespectful. Like, it was hella crazy. We were younger though, but it was hella crazy.
Yeah, that can't, I don't know. Yeah. From me buy you something, especially lingerie, and me want to take it off. I don't know about nothing else. So, you know. I'm not really a person that buy a lot of gifts, to be honest. Let me just say that publicly.
Yeah, he's not.
You know, so that everybody can see that and know that.
He's not a person that buys a lot of gifts.
I'm not a gift giver.
However, if I say I want something, or if he sees that, like, I'm eyeing something, he'll give me the money to buy it. He's not the type to go into the store and say, okay, I'm going to pick this out for her. And, you know, just spontaneous. Yeah. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to do this and I'm going to get her this.
I'm not the romantic type.
Yeah, he definitely ain't. Not on no type of... Sorry. Sorry.
No, we can accept it. You know, that's... I just made that.
He definitely is not the...
I'm not the romantic type, but, you know...
He's not the... You know how some guys would just think of things, like, just to be spontaneous? He's not that guy.
Yeah, sorry, ladies.
Ladies? The fuck you apologizing to ladies for? Playboy. Skirt. Step on that brakes.
Sorry, ladies.
I'm sorry too, ladies.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm not even gonna entertain you right now. But yeah, let us know what you think about this episode.
Yeah. I mean, you know, it's weird. It's a weird thing. I mean,
it's not a weird thing. It's
honestly,
just a no.
all right. Honestly, for me, I don't know how mood I feel if a ex send you a gift. And the reason why I say that,
you be tight.
No, the reason why I say that is because I know the type of person you are. You know, people always say women are the best cheaters or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I've never gotten a
inkling
that you're into any type of cheating or anything like that. Nothing serious. You know what I mean? So that alone kind of relaxes my mind in the sense that, and maybe it's a false sense of relaxation too. So the thing is, don't never get comfortably in your mind that, you know, one person is this way and it's gonna remain that way there forever. Don't be comfortable in that mindset there. Protect what is yours, so to speak. Side note. But you know, I feel like, you know, in that moment, you know, you're not that type of person. So if a man send you a gift and you show me the gift or something like that, as long as you show me and say, baby, you know, say, where, send me this. My ex, where, send me this. Then, depending on what it is, we nothing would have a problem with it.
Better you than me.
You know, depending on what it is. If I'm sending lingerie, you know, I got, you know, I'm
I don't
definitely
care
gonna get a
what
stiff
it is.
page.
It could be a toothbrush. It
But
could be
I'm
a
sending a
Bible.
toothbrush. And if I'm sending a
don't-
Bible
I don't care.
and you show me it,
Garbage.
say, baby,
Garbage.
why me that question? Why am I sending that?
Garbage.
But then me the cause no big stink about it.
I'm gonna cause a big sting because
You know
my
what I
thing
mean?
is, if you are ex, you need to stay an ex and stay in your goddamn place. You don't need to
That
be
is-
present.
that is
If you're an
true.
ex, you're of the past.
That is
You're
true.
not of the future.
That is
so
true.
therefore, you need to stay your
And like me
ass
say-
in the past.
And like me say, before I go in, I say a false sense of comfort. Like me say. You know, and maybe that is a wake up call in my mind right now in this moment. So don't get too comfortable in a false sense of comfort. Protect what is yours. You know what I mean? But yeah, you know, I'm not sure how would I feel. To
Hold
be
on.
honest,
So that was a word for you to
it's a word
protect
to myself. Yeah,
yourself and
a
not
word to myself. Yes, protect what is yours, because you are already in that mode, protecting what is yours. Me, I'm just a little bit more
When
nonchalant.
I should have been, I wasn't. But
I'm a little bit more nonchalant now these days. Well, not these days. I've always been a little bit more a little nonchalant when it comes to certain things. But you know, that is kind of like a note to self right now. Say, yo, brother, protect what is yours.
yo, brother, at the end of the day, she a woman. She gonna slide if she wants to. She gonna be a thought pocket out here in these streets. So protect your heart. That's what you're trying to say.
No, protect what is yours, meaning your mind.
Oh,
Protect what
okay.
is yours.
Okay. I thought you was out here trying to go
Like
left
how
foot.
you already are protect what is yours. Meaning, that's what I mean.
Okay. Okay. If you say so.
He caught it kind of late, but it's okay.
Yeah, I caught that one kind of late.
But it's all good.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this episode. Let us know what you think. Make sure you guys subscribe.
Yes.
Thank you for all of the new subscribers who are new over here. Welcome to our channel. We thank you for subscribing. We thank you for joining us each and every episode.
Yes.
Make sure you guys go over to our IG page and follow us on IG Music
Yes.
and Marriage
Yes.
Podcast. And for my personal page, it's Nikki_Gordon718.
And it's Amlak Red Square, one word. Amlak Red Square. AMLAKREDSQUARE. On all social media platforms.
Yes. Thank you guys for joining us on another episode. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and comment on this and other episode.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us again on another episode of Music and Marriage. My name is Nikita. I am your host, and this is my co-host.
Amlak Red Square. And Mr. Bolt, don't worry yourself. These guns, they coming out soon.
Oh, talk that shit.
I'm coming. Alright?
Yeah, boy.
Peace out.
What good people.
Yeah.
Oh, you said the guns is coming? Oh, shit. I'm scared. Oh, Lord. What's going on in there?
What's going on?